President-elect of the Maldives, معیزو, has said that the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative can play a crucial role in Maldives' development and also the development of all partner countries. معیزو also said that the China-Maldives Friendship Bridge, a project under the BRI, is the most iconic development project carried out so far in the Maldives.
China and Maldives have a very good relationship that goes back many years. There were so many development projects and close cooperation that was carried out very successfully in the country. China-Maldives Friendship Bridge is the most iconic development project, transformational development project carried out so far in the Maldives. It has changed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people, not only living here but visiting the Maldives. The Greater Malay region got an uplift because of this very important project that connected Malay and Hulu Malay. And also there are many other Belt and Road projects such as the social housing projects and the airport development project and so on that has been contributed by the Chinese government's various assistances. I think the Maldives needs that kind of assistance and development partnership with China and other countries that will be mutually beneficial to the countries that are involved in it and for the whole region as well and for the whole world. I think that's the way forward, and I look forward for that kind of assistance and good relationship with China in the coming years. I have a very high expectation on this initiative. I think the Belt and Road Initiative can play a crucial role in our development and also the development of all the countries in this initiative. And definitely I see this initiative playing a very crucial role in taking us forward.